morning, dear students. In a previous lecture, we have learned the various form of the equation of a line. We find the equation of the horizontal line, vertical lines, equation of a line when the slope of the lines are given and passing through up points, that in point slope form, 2 points form, and today we are going to discuss about slope intercept form. Slope fourth form is the slope intercept form. Slope intercept form, and third is the normal form. Okay, students, let us move to find the equation of the line in a slope intercept form. In a Cartesian plane, a line cuts the y-axis at the point B and cuts the x-axis at point A with a slope m. Here, given that the intercept either y intercept or x intercept, and a line with slope m, and given that either y intercept or x intercept, then we find the equation of the lines. Case first, given y intercept, and slope of line m. Here, students, there are two cases. First is the given that y intercept and slope of the line. The slope of the line is the m and y intercept is the c. That means OB is the c. The distance OB is said to be y intercept of the line. Okay, students, then the coordinate of this point B is the 0, c, and slope of the line is the m. Slope of line is the m. Slope of line m. If the distance OB is the c, then the coordinate of point B is the 0, c. Okay, students, and equation of the line, we have already studied about the equation of the line. If a line passes through a one point and given that its slope, what is the equation of the line? Y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0. In this case, the equation of the line is the y minus y1 is the c, y0 is the c, and m into x is the minus 0. Okay student, this implies that y is equal to mx plus c, where c is the y intercept by a line and m is the slope of the line. Okay students, case second, if given that x intercept is the d, this is a point A and this is a point B, this is a point O, here 0 comma c, and coordinate of A is d comma 0, and slope of the line is the m. If the given that a line with the slope m and a line with slope m and x intercept is d by line. Okay students, then we find the equation of the line. Here, if a given that OA equal to d, then the coordinate of point A is the d comma 0. We are also familiar with equation of the straight line passing through a point having a slope m. Okay student, using this formula we find the equation of the line. Y minus, here y 0 is the 0, m into x minus d. This implies that y equal to m into x minus d. Okay, this is the equation of the lines which have slope m and x intercept is the d, and this is a equation of the line which have slope m and y intercept is the c. Okay students, now we solve the question related to this formula. Example number 9. If a line having a slope m and y intercept c, then the equation of the straight line is the y equal to mx plus c. If line having the slope m and x intercept is the d, then the equation of the straight line is the y equal to m into x minus d. Okay students, we solve the question 9. What is your question? Write the equation of the line for which tan theta equal to, find the equation of line for which tan theta equal to 1/2, where theta is the inclination of the line and y intercept is minus 3/2, and next is the x intercept is 4. Here students, we find the equation of the straight line having the slope 1 by 2. Tan theta is the slope of a line. Here defined as theta is the inclination of the line. In question, theta is inclination of line. Okay students, if theta is the inclination of the line, then tan theta is the slope of the line. Okay, in this question, given that m equal to 1 by 2, tan theta is a m equal to 1 by 2, and y intercept, first is the y intercept that means c equal to minus 3 by 2. Y intercept is the c, and in this question given that the value of c equal to minus 3 by 2. We know that equation of straight line is y equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope of the line and c is the y intercept of a line. Put the value of m and c. Y equal to, what is the value of m? M is the 1 by 2 x. What is the value of c? Minus 3 by 2. This implies that y equal to x by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay students, this implies that y equal to x minus 3 by 2. This implies that 2y equal to x minus 3. This implies that x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0, which is your answer. If the slope of the line is the 1 by 2 and the y intercept is the minus 3 by 2, then the equation of the lines x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0 in your book written as y minus x plus 3 equal to 0. We multiply by minus in a both side of this equation. Then this is a negative, this is a positive, and this is a positive. Also this is the answer of this question. Okay, and second part, given that m equal to 1 by 2 and d equal to, d is the x intercept of a line, d is the 4, we know that equation of straight line y equal to m into x minus d. Okay students, y equal to m into x minus d. Put the value of m and d. Y equal to m, what is the value of m? M is the 1 by 2, and x, what is the value of d? 4. This implies that here y transfer to the left hand side, 2y equal to x minus 4. This implies that 2y minus x plus 4 equal to 0, which is a answer of second part. Okay students, 2y minus x plus 4 equal to 0. Understand? Now let us move next form of the straight line, intercept form. intercept form. Intercept form. That means in a Cartesian plane, line intercept both axes, y intercept is the b, that means OB equal to B and OA equal to A. Coordinate of B is the, if BO equal to B, then the coordinate of B is 0 comma B, and if OA equal to A, then the coordinate of A equal to A comma 0. Here a line passing through 2 points A comma 0 and B 0 comma B. Okay students, that means if a line having a x intercept is the A and y intercept is the B, that means line passing through the 2 points, line intersect at x axis of point A and line intersect at a b axis at point B. If the x intercept is the A, then the coordinate of point A is the A comma 0. If y intercept of line, then coordinate of point B is the B comma 0. Okay students, that means line passing through a 2 points. Then we find the equation of the line. You have already studied about the equation of the line passing through a 2 points. Passing through a 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Okay students, x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2, then the equation of the line x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2, then the equation of the line y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay students, you have already studied in the previous lecture. Okay, here a line makes x intercept A and y intercept B, then we find the equation of the line. Okay, if line intercept A, that means OA equal to A, then the coordinate of point A equal to A comma 0. If a line makes y intercept B, that means BO is equal to B, that means the coordinate of point B is 0 comma B. That is line passing through a 2 points, first is the A and next is the B. Coordinate of A is equal to 0 comma A, a comma 0 and coordinate of b is the 0 comma b. Then using by this formula we find the equation of the straight line. Okay students, then equation of line y minus y2 is the b minus y1 is the 0 and x2 is the 0 and x1 is the a into x minus x1 is the a. Here point is the x1 comma y1 and this point is the x2 comma y2. Then we put the value of x1 y1 and x2 y2 in this equation and we find the equation of the straight line y equal to b upon minus a into x minus a. Okay students, this implies that minus ay is equal to b x minus a. This implies that minus ay equal to bx minus ab. This implies that ay plus bx minus ab equal to 0. We transfer minus ay in a right hand side. Okay student, this implies that bx plus ay equal to ab. Also we transfer minus ab in a right hand side, then we get bx plus ay equal to ab. We divides in 1 by ab on both side of equation, Okay students, we get bx upon ab plus ay upon ab equal to ab upon ab. This implies that x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1, which is a equation of straight lines, makes the x intercept is the a and y intercept is the b. If a line makes x intercept is the a and y intercept is the b, then the equation of the line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 1. Okay students, we solve the question related this form. Example number 10, find the equation of the line, find the equation of line which makes find the equation of the lines which makes intercepts minus 3 and 2 on the x-axis and y-axis, on x-axis and y-axis respectively. Solution: given that a equal to x intercept is the 3 minus 3, sorry, x intercept is the minus 3 and y intercept is the 2. In this question, given that line makes the x intercept is the minus 3 and y intercept is the 2, that means a equal to minus 3 and b equal to 2, then find the an equation of lines. Okay students, we know that equation of the lines is x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. This implies that x upon minus 3 plus y upon 2 equal to 1. Minus 3y upon 6 minus 6, okay students, is equal to 1. This implies that 2x minus 3y equal to minus 6. This implies that 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. An equation of the line is 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. Let us move normal form of the equation of the straight line. Normal form of the equation of the straight line: in a Cartesian plane, lines passing in Cartesian plane and intersect 2 points, intersect both axes, x axis and y axis. Here the length of perpendicular or normal OA from origin to the line is a P. We let the perpendicular distance from origin to a line is a P, and normal OA makes the angle omega with the positive direction of x axis. Then we find the equation of this line. That means OA is the P and OA makes the angle with positive x axis with the positive direction of x axis is the omega. Then we find the equation of the straight line. To find the coordinate of point A. To find the coordinate of point A. Okay students, here OA is equal to P and angle AOM is equal to omega. Then we find the length OM is the we find the distance OM using in right angle triangle AOM. Okay students, we take cos omega is the base upon hypotenuse, that means OM upon OA. Okay, cos omega equal to OM, we find the value of OM, and here given that OA equal to P, this implies that OM equal to P cos omega. P cos omega. Next, we find the value of AM using sin omega in a right angle triangle AMO. Okay students, cos omega is the perpendicular side upon hypotenuse, that means AM upon OA. Okay students, this implies that sin omega equal to AM. AM is the, we find the value of AM, and OA is equal to P. This implies that AM equal to P sin omega. P sin omega. Here students, OM is the P cos omega, AM is the P sin omega, then the coordinate of point A is the P cos omega comma P sin omega. Okay students, and next we find the slope of line L. Our next target is the slope of the line L. If we find the slope of line segment OA, then we also find the slope of the line L, because both lines are perpendicular. Both lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, then the slope of OA is equal to, here this angle is the omega, this angle is the omega, then the slope of OA is the tan omega. Okay student, then the slope of OA equal to sin omega upon cos omega. Okay, therefore slope of line L is equal to, two lines are perpendicular, then their slope of the negative reciprocal to the each other. Okay students, here if slope of the line segment OA is sin omega upon cos omega, then the slope of line L is the minus cos omega upon sin omega. Why students? If two lines are perpendicular, if the OAL, if two lines are perpendicular, if the slope of the line OA, then the slope of the line L is the slope of line L is the minus 1 upon M1. Okay students, using this concept we find the slope of the line L is the minus cos omega upon sin omega. Here two things given about the line. First is the line passing through a points A, and which is a slope minus cos omega upon sin omega. If the line passing through a points having a slope, then the equation of the line is the y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0. We have already studied about it. Okay students, by using this formula we find the equation of line L. Y minus, here y0 is the p sin omega. P sin omega is equal to m is the minus cos omega upon sin omega into x minus x0 is the p cos omega. Okay students, this implies that This implies that y minus p sin omega is equal to minus cos omega upon sin omega into x minus p cos omega. Okay, we simplify this and find your result. Okay, students. Y minus p sin omega is equal to minus cos omega upon sin omega x minus p cos omega. Okay, students, we solve this and find our required result. Y sin omega p sin square omega is equal to minus x cos omega and plus p cos square omega. Okay, students, this implies that here we transfer minus x cos omega is the left hand side, x cos omega plus y sin omega and minus p sin square omega is transfer in right hand side, p sin square omega plus p cos square omega. This implies that x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p common sin square omega plus cos square omega. This implies that x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to, what is the value of sin square omega plus cos square omega is the 1. Then value of this is the 1, which is an equation of the straight line having a normal p and the angle, normal makes the angle in a positive x direction is the omega. Then equation of the line is x cos omega plus y sin omega is equal to p.
Mama